Bonjour les élèves. Today we are going to learn about les adjectives demonstrative, which are demonstrative adjectives in French. These are used when we want to point at something specific, like in English, this book, that house, and these cars, those children, like that. Okay, so each and every student must have this question in their mind. Okay, so what are demonstrative adjectives? Okay, what are demonstrative adjectives? Why? Okay, demonstrative. So in French, demonstrative adjectives agree with the gender. So what you have to know is agree with the gender. Okay, agree with the gender, like gender and number. Okay, and number of the noun, and number of the noun they describe. Okay, so say for example, we have this. Okay, this and that. It is this and that, which is masculine. Okay, masculine. If it is, it takes sir. Okay, it is sir. If it is number for the masculine, the same masculine, it is ces. Okay, and then let's go into the next one, the same. So this and that, which is also in the feminine gender as well. Okay, this and that. So let us take it as in the red color. Okay, so this is masculine and this is feminine. Okay, so here, because the nouns, okay, the nouns are, we have in French language, we have feminine nouns. Say for example, voiture, and there are masculine nouns. We have stylo. Okay, stylo is nothing but pen, and voiture is nothing but a car. Okay, so like that, we have both. This is this pen. Okay, so this pen, sir stylo. This car, we can say sir cette voiture. Okay, so this and that are available in both masculine and feminine. Unlike English language, we do have this type of differentiation in the French language. So this feminine is called cette and that. So whatever your mind is like the translating in English, we always say this pen, that car, that pen, this car. So whatever it is, we have to use sir or cette. Okay, which is a feminine. And for the plural form also, it is only say. Okay, so whatever it is, you have to go with the say for the masculine and the cette for the feminine. Okay, and we have one more one more specialization in this, which is the word starting with the a, e, I, o, u and h. Okay, so this type of word, say for example, we have hotel. Okay, hotel, which is starting with h. Okay, so this is a vowel. According to the French language, this is a vowel. And om. Okay, om. And also we have f. F is nothing but egg. So these are the words we have to, when we have to call this particular egg, this particular hotel, or this particular man, we have to say cet, set hotel, set om, set f. Okay, like that. So these are the classification. For this also, it is the plural is ces. So all the ces are plural forms for the feminine, for the masculine, and for the vowels. Okay, vowel form of nouns. Okay, so I think now it's been clear for you all. Okay, let's go into that. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a small, before going into this demonstrative adjectives, I just want to give you a some simple sentences. So here I'm using it. Okay, so let us take it as an example. Ce livre. Okay, ce livre. Livre is masculine gender. So I'm saying this book. Okay, this book. And then we have ce garçon. Ce garçon. Ce garçon. So this boy. Okay, this boy. And then, so this is for the masculine gender. Okay, so now we are going to speak about the CET form. Okay, this one is CE form, and this one is CET form. Okay, this CET form we have the cette avion. Okay, so look at this word. These words are starting with the vowel. So this airplane, okay, and then we have this cette homme. Okay, cette homme. So this man, this we have already seen in just 2 minutes back, and then we have so this is our example for the CET, and we have CETTE. This is for the feminine, and this is for the vowel nouns. Okay, vowel nouns, let us classify it as vowel nouns, and this one is masculine nouns, and this is for the feminine nouns. So how do we know all this? The one easiest tip is that you have to by heart it. For each and every word, when you are learning in French language, for each and every noun you have to learn along with the gender only. Okay, this is the easiest tip I can give you. Okay, and then we have cette fille. Okay, cette fille, this girl. Okay, and then for all these things we have CES is our plural form. Okay, that's it. And then now let's complete the exercise now. So you are going to let me know so what we have to put for the each and every the thing. Okay, so voilà une vue de haut de la tour Montparnasse. Regarde the magasin. Regard the magasin. So look for here, it is yes ending, and also magasin is the plural, and we have identified it as plural. Okay, and what it is a masculine gender. So masculine means we have what? CE, right? CE for masculine and CETTE for feminine, and CET for the vowels. These are all only singular. Okay, so whatever it is, the CES is for plural. Okay, so please remember this thing. So regarde magasin, it is not starting with AEIOUH, so it is only M, so it is say magasin. Okay, regarde. So regarde, here it is monde, which is, it is not ending with plural, but it is regarde, say mode. Okay, say mode is nothing but the world. Okay, so world, we have only one word. So regarde ce monde, it is also as though it is ends with E, but even then it is masculine. So it is ce monde. Okay, ce sont des gens qui font du shopping. Okay, these are the people who do the shopping. Font. Okay, regarde dash tour. Okay, regarde dash tour. So what here we are, the tour is nothing but it is the feminine gender. Okay, it is feminine gender, so we have to give it a CETTE, cette. And then say la tour Eiffel regarde dash grande cathedral. Okay, so it is grande cathedral, and it is a feminine. Okay, so feminine. So here also you have one more tip which is ends with E, and grande is it is the feminine adjective. Okay, so feminine adjective. So here itself we have got the clue. It is cette. It is a feminine because cathedral is a feminine. Okay, say Notre Dame de Paris. Ye dash immeuble la. Immeuble is nothing but it is the immeuble is building, actually building over there. Say le magasin. This is a store, FNAC. Okay, FNAC. Okay. So immeuble la, c'est le magasin. Okay, ye dash. So what would be here? So immeuble, it is masculine gender. So we have and also it is starting with I. So for both, okay, so this also could be CET, masculine nouns also could be CET, and feminine also could be CET. Okay, so here we have the masculine noun. So it is starting with I, so you have to close your eyes and you have to like give. So what do I mean is close your eyes means like simply when you see it is starting with the AEIOUH vowels, you have to give this CET. You shouldn't worry about the whether it could be masculine or feminine. Don't worry about that. If the first letter is starting with the AEIOUH, you have to give the CET. C'est la magasin FNAC. Okay. Nous voyons devant le musée, entrons par dash entrée, entrance. Okay, entrance. It is again, it is singular and also it is feminine. Okay, so here we have to give CETTE. Cette. Commençons par dash salle. Commençons par dash salle. Again, this is also ends with E, so it is feminine. singular. So we are going to give CETTE, cette. Observez dash tableau. Tableau. Okay, look at here, it is AUX. Always remember that AUX. AUX is a masculine plural. So it doesn't give you, okay, don't ever think about it could be a feminine. AUX is always masculine, so it is, and also it is in plural form. Okay, plural form. So it is CES, say. Okay, say tableau. And then the next one is dash portrait et celui de Colbert. Okay, so here we have, what we have here is, okay, say portrait. Okay, so the portrait is masculine gender, so masculine singular, so we have to use C. Sir, portrait et celui de Colbert. Okay, dash homme. So here we have H. Okay, so it is AEIOU. So it is CET. Say homme a été le conseil des finances de Louis XIV. Okay, so we have say magasin, say monde, cette tour, cette grande cathedral, say immeuble là, and then we have cette entrée, and then we have cette salle, and then say tableau, say portrait, and then cette homme. Okay, so conclusion. So today we have learned how to use the demonstrative adjectives in French. Okay, so it is CE, it's always masculine singular. Okay, CET, it is also masculine singular and feminine singular as well. And then CETTE is for feminine singular. Okay, and then CES is for the plural, for both masculine and feminine. Okay, yeah. So merci et à bientôt.